Now this was only one selector and set of properties that we used. We used one other one in order to remove this additional margin that we see above the navigation. So let's go ahead and navigate to that div. I'm going to go back down to this box and click the plus sign in order to expand the items contained in the div with the ID of footer. And then inside of this div region footer, if we go over to the styles for it, we see margin top here. And then in our CSS injector file, we have our margin top here as well, which is being overridden by the styles in style.css. So let's add our important keyword to this value. All right, and as we did that, we see that our styles are coming through okay. So at this point, we can just go back to our CSS injector styles and add the important keyword to all three of our styles that we added and come back here and see if it stuck. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of Firebug. And I'm going to click on the Edit CSS Injector rule in the shortcut bar, which takes us to the All Pages style. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of this CSS code where we have our footer definitions, and I'm going to add the important keyword to these three properties that we're setting. Just copying the important keyword and pasting it in. Okay, and then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click Save. All right, let's exit out of the overlay by clicking the X. And let's scroll down to the bottom. Okay, so now the spacing looks good in the footer and the border is gone. So the only thing left to add is our background image.